my name is Amber LaRock and I am a staff writer with Emergency Vets USA as well as a licensed veterinary technician. Our goal at Emergency Vets USA is to educate you on topics regarding your pet's health. So today we'll be discussing pale gums in dogs and what could possibly cause pale gums in dogs. The color of your dog's gums can be a wonderful peek into the current state of their health. So today we'll be discussing the basic details of how to check your dog's gum color and capillary refill time, and what could be the potential factor behind the pale gums in your dog. An ideal gum color in a healthy dog should be a shade of pink, and this pink typically ranges from a salmon colored pink to a peach colored pink. Your dog's gums should also be moist to the touch. For example, if you touch their gums and they're kind of tacky, if there's a brief moment where your finger kind of sticks to the surface, that's not ideal, and that could point to the potential of dehydration. Another thing to keep in mind is that not only can you look at your dog's gum color, but you can also assess their capillary refill time, which is basically just the time it takes for blood to return to an area after it is blanched. So basically what this means is if you push down on your dog's gums, you will see that the area turns kind of white for a moment, and then it will turn pink again in a few seconds. So ideally, the capillary refill time in a healthy dog would be 1 to 2 seconds. So if you notice that it is delayed, if it takes 3 to 4 seconds for the color to return, then that could be a concern. It could also be a concern if you blanch the area and it is immediately pink again. That is something that we refer to as injected gums. So anything below or above 1 to 2 seconds should always warrant a call to your veterinarian. Now that you understand the ideal gum color that your dog should have and how to check their capillary refill time, let's get into the most common causes of pale gums in dogs. So the first potential cause on the list is anemia, which is likely the most common cause of pale gums in dogs. Anemia is basically just a term that refers to a low number of circulating red blood cells within the body, and anemia can occur due to multiple different medical conditions. Some of the most common causes of anemia in dogs include intestinal parasites, flea infestations, toxins, blood parasites, and even autoimmune disease. The next cause on the list is blood loss. So this basically is what it sounds like, just any loss of blood from your dog's body. This can occur due to trauma. For example, if your dog has a severe wound and they are bleeding a large amount from that wound. This can also occur due to any other type of blood loss. This could be ulcerations in the intestinal tract that are bleeding, intestinal parasites, bloody diarrhea, basically anything that causes your dog to lose any amount of their circulating blood. The next potential cause on the list is dehydration. While typically dehydration will not cause your dog to have white gums, it can cause your dog's gums to be a light pink or very pale pink color. You may also notice that your dog's gums are tacky and they may have a delayed capillary refill time as well. So some of the most common causes of dehydration in dogs are vomiting, diarrhea, not eating or drinking water, and even chronic conditions like kidney disease. Next cause on the list is shock. And basically this term just refers to an inadequate supply of blood flow circulating throughout the body. Dogs can fall into shock due to multiple reasons. They could go into shock after trauma. They could experience shock due to severe anaphylactic reactions. They can even experience shock due to severe dehydration. The last potential cause on the list is kidney disease. While this is probably the most rare cause on the list, it is something that you need to have on your mind if you do have a dog with kidney disease or a dog that is in kidney failure. The kidneys are responsible for producing a hormone that helps to stimulate the production of red blood cells. So when the kidneys fail to do their job, this can cause anemia in dogs. And as we just mentioned, anemia is one of the most common causes of pale gums in dogs. For more information on the causes of pale gums in dogs and the different treatment options for these potential causes, be sure to review the article that is attached to this video, but stay tuned to Emergency Vets USA for more topics on pet health.